Martyrs, symbols of Kashmiri's resistance. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the worst Indian atrocities have failed to subdue the freedom sentiment of the Kashmiri people, and they are determined to accomplish the mission of their martyrs at all costs. India has used every brutal tactic during the last 73 years in general and since 1989 in particular to intimidate the Kashmiri people into submission. Indian troops in their unabated acts of state terrorism have martyred over 96,213 innocent Kashmiris and subjected more than 8,000 to custodial disappearances since January 1989 when the Kashmiris intensified their freedom struggle. The troops have destroyed 110,400 houses and molested around 11,259 women during the last 32 years. The all-parties Hurriyat conference has called for complete shutdown in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on 8th July on the 7th martyrdom anniversary of the prominent youth leader Burhan Muzaffarwani, who along with his colleagues sacrificed his life for the just cause of right to self-determination. The blood of Kashmiri martyrs will not go in vain. The story of Kashmiri's freedom struggle is being written by martyrs' blood. India can kill the Kashmiri youth, but it can't defeat them. The blood of martyrs is a guiding light for the Kashmiris who highly regard the sacrifices of their martyrs. There is no sacrifice bigger than sacrificing life for motherland. Kashmiri martyrs are a symbol of resistance in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. After every martyrdom, Kashmiris' resolve to attain freedom from Indian yoke gets stronger. India can't suppress the Kashmiris' passion for freedom by resorting to wanton killings. Martyr sacrifices have center-staged the Kashmir dispute at the global level. Kashmiris are determined to tread the martyrs' path till freedom from Indian subjugation. The message of martyrs is loud and clear. Kashmiris will die but not surrender. Kashmiris will continue to lay down their lives until freedom from Indian yoke. No power can stop the Kashmiri people's march towards freedom.